video games. Momky, he looks like he's laughing. I don't like grenades. Fuck you! This is fucking stupid. Fuck this. Fuck my ass.
Yo, get on the case.
I love grenades.
I hate grenades because they taste like.
Oh god, oh god. I almost died. Oh god, you made me drop a grenade, a live grenade. And guess what?
Fuck, that's drop.
Oh wow, you killed me. Oh boy.
Chicken. Stand.
I killed myself. Paper hat. I just slid a landmine under your feet. Jesus.
I had nowhere to go.
The first mistake.
Fuck my anal sphincter.
I love landmines also. I hate my life also. Good thing you took it away. Hey, guess what? Oh my god!
Gotcha!
Why didn't you die?
Cause I'm a fucking gangbanger. Ha! Dank reference.
Oh god, the grenade followed me all the way down.
You fucking suck. I killed you with a sword and you had a fucking nuclear laser.
We should just say... Oh hey, guess what?
6 callers ahead of us, Jimmy! I don't know what that means. It means nothing to me.
Memes.
It means nothing to my meme. Elephant! I hate my life so much. I want to kill myself. I don't know why I haven't done it yet.
Oh boy.
I'm good at this, aren't I? Flintlock pistol! Gotcha! I get so excited when I kill things.
That's my favorite quote from Josep, I think, of 2018. I get so excited when I kill things. Josep.
A albino penguin. Already dead.
Oh, guess what? You wanna know a cool thing with the chainsaw?
I don't know how to use it. No! No!
Jesus fuck. Just to make sure my body was dead.
Not if I kill you first, bitch! I'm way too into this.
God, this is a fucking amazing game. Why?
Allahu Akbar.
Oh Jesus. Oh B.
Don't got the armor on you, bitch! Ah!
Damn it.
You big fat bitch!
You silly little bitch.
Hi, little bitch! Gotcha! I have a shotgun in hell. You're
I
gonna
actually didn't notice that you didn't have the armor on. You don't have the armor on, you.
I was one away! Oh!
My stomach hurts.
Fuck this game.
Holy shit.
Baby bitch. Yeah!
Fuck